Why I'll never go back to the 9 to 5 grind ever again. I clocked out for good, and I've never looked back. Here's why the 9 to 5 life nearly broke me and how I found a way out. Hi, I'm Holly. I'm a mom, a grandmother who used to work long, exhausting days that left me with nothing to show but a paycheck that barely paid the bills. For years, I thought that's what you had to do. Sacrifice your time, your energy, and health to survive. But that life wore me down, and I missed time with my family. I missed freedom. I missed me. Then I found a business model that didn't require me to trade my life for a paycheck. A digital system with 100% profit margins, no tech overwhelm, and real mentorship. Now I work 2, maybe 3 hours a day maximum. No boss, no deadlines, just real results and more time for what I love, the pool. If you're exhausted from working nonstop and still feel broke, this is your chance to try something new. You don't have to stay stuck. You don't have to settle. Comment info, and I'll show you the system, the same one that gave me my time and my life back. Thank God. Comment info or go to www.hollypringdailypay.com now. It's free to check out, and it might just change everything for you too.